Here, the Wallace Line carves nature into two distinct worlds, one ruled by the descendants of Asia, the other by the ancient kin of Australia. This is Indonesia, a breathtaking and mysterious biological frontier, where the largest, strongest, and rarest predators continuously adapt, battle, and endure in the fight for survival. Welcome to Wild Indonesia. To the west, islands like Sumatra, Java, and Borneo are home to flora and fauna deeply rooted in Asia's evolutionary lineage. In contrast, to the east, Sulawesi, Maluku, and New Guinea harbor species with clear ties to Australia, particularly within the biodiverse region of Wallacea. This convergence has given rise to a vast array of endemic species, including some of the world's most remarkable predators. Here, the Komodo dragon, a colossal lizard often likened to a modern-day dinosaur, reigns supreme. In the west, the Sumatran tiger and the Javan rhinoceros, descendants of species that migrated from the Eurasian continent during the Ice Age, have found refuge in Sumatra's dense forests, landscapes that have long witnessed the relentless struggle for survival among Earth's most elusive and powerful hunters. To the east, the cassowary and the birds of paradise carry the legacy of Australia's ecosystem. These creatures have journeyed across Wallacea's scattered islands, evolving and adapting to the region's harsh and unpredictable conditions. Their existence is a testament to nature's endless battle between predator and prey, where only the strongest endure. Around 50 million years ago, the Indo-Australian plate collided with the Eurasian plate, giving rise to vast mountain ranges and archipelagos such as Sumatra, Java, and Sulawesi. This immense geological force, combined with intense volcanic activity, has continuously reshaped the land, creating new islands over time. With more than 130 active volcanoes, Indonesia sits at the heart of the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it one of the most volcanically active regions on the planet, an ever-changing landscape teeming with life. Komodo National Park is one of the world's most significant conservation areas, home to the legendary Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth. These apex predators dominate the islands of Komodo, Rinca, Gili Motang, and Flores, thriving in the rugged landscapes of the Lesser Sunda Islands. A descendant of giant monitor lizards, the Komodo dragon has roamed the Earth for approximately 4 million years, adapting to its harsh environment with remarkable resilience. However, despite its dominance, the species now faces the threat of extinction. The IUCN has classified the Komodo dragon as highly endangered, making Komodo National Park the vast stronghold for its survival. These formidable reptiles can reach lengths of 10 feet and weigh between 150 to 200 pounds, with some males exceeding 300 pounds. Their powerful tails stretch nearly as long as their bodies, while their serrated, 1-inch long teeth allow them to tear through flesh with ease. Their thick, armored scales offer protection from both predators and the harsh environment of Wallaceia's deciduous forests. As the apex predator of this ecosystem, the Komodo dragon thrives through patience and overwhelming strength. Unlike many reptiles, it is a strategic pack hunter, launching sudden ambushes at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. Even if its prey escapes the initial attack, it rarely survives for long. Komodo dragon saliva contains over 50 strains of bacteria, causing fatal infections within 24 hours. Once the prey succumbs, the dragons track it down, tearing off massive chunks of meat with their powerful jaws. Their feeding habits are as ruthless as their hunting techniques. Using their front limbs to grip a carcass, you rip it apart, swallowing large pieces whole. A specialized tube beneath the tongue allows them to breathe while eating, and when devouring large prey, they slam the carcass against trees to break it down. Their flexible skulls and expandable stomachs even allow them to swallow smaller prey whole. A single meal can be up to 80% of their body weight, after which they retreat to bask in the sun, a crucial process that aids digestion. Without sufficient warmth, their food could rot inside their stomachs, poisoning them. Thanks to a slow metabolism and efficient digestion, Komodo dragons can survive on as few as 12 meals a year, a remarkable adaptation that allows them to endure the harsh conditions of the lesser Sunda Islands. Amid the dry forests of Indonesia, the banded pig, also known as the Indonesian wild boar, thrives quietly yet resiliently. Smaller than its European wild boar relative, this adaptable creature weighs between 80 to 220 pounds. Beneath its thick, coarse fur, the banded pig endures the region's extreme conditions. Scorching heat and an annual rainfall of just 31 to 53 inches define the harsh landscape. A true opportunistic omnivore, the banded pig tirelessly roots through the soil, foraging for tubers, roots, fruits, and seeds. However, when food becomes scarce during the dry season, it turns to insects and carrion, showcasing its remarkable adaptability. Its long snout and razor-sharp teeth are essential survival tools, allowing it to dig deep into the earth in search of hidden nutrients. Yet, beyond mere survival, these pigs play a crucial ecological role. Every time they dig, they aerate the soil, stir dormant seeds, and accelerate forest regeneration, helping sustain the delicate balance of Wallaceia's ecosystems. By recycling nutrients and dispersing seeds, they contribute to the ongoing renewal of the forests they inhabit. More than just survivors, banded pigs are an essential yet often overlooked force in the intricate web of life that defines Wallaceia's wild landscapes. Sulawesi's lowland rainforests are renowned for their exceptional biodiversity, encompassing evergreen rainforest and swamp forests. The island's tropical, humid climate supports an astonishing array of wildlife, including 104 mammal species, 29 of which are endemic or nearly endemic. With high rainfall and humidity, Sulawesi provides an ideal environment for a variety of species, one of the most fascinating being the Sulawesi warty pig. Endemic to the island, the Sulawesi warty pig is smaller than most wild pig species, weighing between 45 and 150 pounds and measuring 3 to 4 feet in length. They live in small social groups, which helps them defend against predators. Their name comes from the distinct facial warts found on adult males. These thickened skin structures serve as both protection in fights and a symbol of dominance during battles for mates. As omnivores, Sulawesi warty pigs consume a diverse diet of roots, tubers, fruits, insects, and small animals. Their constant foraging plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, as they aid in seed dispersal, contributing to the regeneration and diversity of the rainforest. By digging through the soil, they also aerate the forest floor, improving soil quality and fertility, which benefits plant growth. Hidden within the dense tropical vegetation, these resilient and ecologically significant creatures quietly maintain the delicate balance of Sulawesi's rainforests, making them an indispensable part of the island's biodiversity. The Asian water monitor, the second largest lizard in the world, can grow up to 9 feet long and weigh up to 90 pounds. Native to Southeast Asia, its range stretches from India to the Indonesian archipelago, thriving in diverse environments. This species traces its evolutionary origins back approximately 65 million years, a time when reptiles dominated the planet. Adaptable and resilient, the water monitor has evolved to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats, particularly in tropical rainforests, wetlands, and riverbanks. These environments provide an abundance of food and ideal conditions for survival. With strong legs and a flattened tail, the water monitor is an exceptional swimmer, allowing it to hunt in water and quickly escape danger. On land, its climbing and sprinting abilities make it a formidable predator. A true opportunistic hunter, the water monitor lurks near rivers, streams, ponds, and swamps, where food is plentiful. Its diet includes fish, frogs, birds, small mammals, eggs, and even other reptiles. It is also a scavenger, feeding on carrion and playing a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by preventing the spread of disease. With camouflage skin that blends seamlessly into its surroundings, the water monitor is a master of stealth. When prey comes too close, it strikes with a quick and powerful bite, using its razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws to subdue even larger animals. Its long muscular tail aids in swift underwater movement, making it a highly efficient aquatic hunter. Relentless in its probably hardest spur of survival, the Asian water monitor is a crucial predator in lowland Sulawesi and beyond, ensuring the delicate balance of its ecosystem remains intact. Among the most formidable predators of this ecosystem is the reticulated python, one of the largest snakes in the world. It is particularly common in Southeast Asia, including the humid rainforests of the Banda Sea Islands, part of the Wallacea ecological region. This snake is incredibly adaptable, thriving in tropical rainforests, semi-dry forests, and even human-altered environments. Over millions of years, The reticulated python has evolved to master varied and complex habitats, from Sumatra and Borneo to remote Indonesian archipelagos. Capable of reaching lengths of up to 30 feet and weighing between 150 and 300 pounds, the reticulated python ranks among the longest snakes in the world, second only to the green anaconda and Burmese python. Its extraordinary jaw structure, equipped with flexible ligaments, allows it to swallow prey significantly larger than itself, from deer and wild pigs to monkeys. This powerful predator can consume animals equal to its own weight and up to 1/4 of its body length. Once it has ingested a large meal, the python enters a slow digestion process that can last weeks or even months, allowing it to conserve energy over extended periods. With its stealth, strength, and unmatched adaptability, the reticulated python remains a dominant predator in the biodiverse Banda Sea Islands. Among the fascinating inhabitants of these forests is the southern red muntjac, commonly known as the barking deer. Belonging to the Cervidae family, this ancient deer species has a lineage that dates back millions of years, with fossil evidence from the Pleistocene era confirming its long-standing presence across Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia. Smaller than most deer species, the southern red muntjac measures 3 to 4 feet in length, stands 17 to 24 inches tall, and weighs between 33 to 40 pounds. Its reddish-brown coat provides excellent camouflage within the dense undergrowth of tropical and broadleaf forests. Males possess short, sharp antlers, used in territorial battles and mating contests, along with large canine teeth, the distinctive feature that aids in self-defense. Primarily nocturnal or crepuscular, the southern red muntjac moves swiftly and cautiously through the forest. As an omnivore, it thrives on a diverse diet of leaves, fallen fruits, shoots, and fungi, allowing it to adapt to the rainforest's challenging conditions. One of its most notable traits is its barking alarm call, a sharp, repetitive sound that serves as a natural security system in the forest. When danger is near, the barking deer sounds its warning, alerting other animals to the presence of predators, reinforcing the interconnected survival strategies of the jungle. The Bali myna is a rare and iconic bird species, endemic to Bali, Indonesia. Revered as a symbol of the island's natural heritage, this bird primarily inhabits the tropical forests of the eastern Java Bali rainforests, part of the Sundaland ecological region. With its striking appearance, the Bali myna is easily recognizable by its pure white plumage, vivid blue skin around the eyes, and a bright yellow beak. Measuring 9 to 10 inches in length, one of its most distinctive features is its elegant, elongated crest, which it raises when communicating or displaying. As an omnivore, the Bali myna thrives on a diverse diet of fruits, seeds, insects, and occasionally small reptiles. It prefers open forests and forest edges where food is abundant and easily accessible. Notably, this species is known for its loud and melodic call, which it uses to mark territory and attract mates. Despite its beauty, the Bali myna is on the brink of extinction. According to the IUCN, it is classified as critically endangered, with its wild population plummeting to fewer than 100 individuals in the 1990s. Due to habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. Today, Bali Bara National Park serves as one of the last refuges for this rare bird, playing a crucial role in ongoing conservation efforts to protect and restore its dwindling population. Deep within Java's rainforests, the dhole, also known as the Asian wild dog, thrives as one of the region's most skilled and cooperative predators. With its sleek, reddish-brown coat, muscular legs, and unmatched agility, the dhole moves through the dense forest like a shadow, navigating mountains, valleys, and thick vegetation with remarkable ease. What sets the dhole apart from other wild canines is its exceptional social structure and hunting prowess. Living and hunting in packs of 5 to 12 individuals, they coordinate their attacks with precision, using a series of whistling calls to communicate and strategize. Unlike solitary hunters, dholes rely on teamwork and endurance, often pursuing prey for hours, gradually exhausting their target before launching the final attack. This highly effective pack strategy allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves, including wild boars, deer, and even primates. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, dholes can tear apart large prey quickly, ensuring that every pack member gets their share. However, despite their strength and adaptability, they are not immune to the threats of habitat destruction. According to the IUCN, dholes are currently listed as endangered, with only 2,500 to 3,000 individuals remaining worldwide. As Java's forests continue to shrink, this remarkable predator faces an uncertain future, making conservation efforts more crucial than ever. The montane rainforests of western Java provide an ideal habitat for the silvery gibbon, also known as the Javan gibbon, an endemic primate found exclusively in the island's mountain forests. Recognized for its remarkably long arms, which extend beyond the length of its legs, this agile species moves effortlessly through the forest canopy, using a specialized form of locomotion called brachiation. This swinging movement not only allows the gibbon to forage efficiently, but also helps it evade ground-dwelling predators. Unfortunately, due to extensive habitat loss, the silvery gibbon population has declined drastically, with the IUCN estimating that only 2,000 to 4,000 individuals remain in the wild. Amid the thick vegetation, the elusive Sumatran tiger, the rarest tiger subspecies, prowls silently. This magnificent predator is the only surviving tiger species in Indonesia, following the extinction of the Javan and Bali tigers. It is also the smallest of all tiger subspecies, with males weighing between 220 to 310 pounds and females ranging from 165 to 240 pounds. Its vibrant orange coat, marked with bold black stripes, provides perfect camouflage within the dappled light of the dense rainforest. As an apex predator, the Sumatran tiger relies on stealth and ambush tactics to hunt its prey, which includes deer, wild pigs, and occasionally monkeys. Its muscular build and flexible limbs enable it to navigate the rugged forest terrain with agility. Typically hunting at night, it employs a sudden, close-range attack, often targeting the neck or nape to quickly subdue its prey. Additionally, its exceptional swimming ability allows it to traverse rivers, swamps, and streams, expanding its hunting range beyond dry land. Despite its prowess, the Sumatran tiger faces an escalating threat of extinction. Overhunting of its prey species, combined with deforestation and human encroachment, has forced the tiger to roam closer to human settlements in search of food. According to the IUCN, the species is critically endangered, with only an estimated 400 to 600 individuals remaining in the wild. To protect this iconic predator, Indonesia has established several protected areas, including Bukit Barisan Selatan National Park and Gunung Laser National Park, aiming to preserve the remaining rainforest habitat and ensure the survival of the Sumatran tiger for future generations. A Sumatran elephant, a distinct and smaller subspecies of the Asian elephant, is endemic to the island of Sumatra. As a keystone species, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of Sumatra's tropical rainforest and peat swamp ecosystems. Geographic isolation and the island's challenging environment have shaped this subspecies, making it more compact and well adapted to Sumatra's dense forests and wetlands. Sumatran elephants typically stand between 6.5 to 9.8 feet tall, with males weighing between 4,400 and 8,800 pounds. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their exceptional swimming abilities allow them to navigate rivers and swamps with ease. Unlike other elephant species, male Sumatran elephants might have relatively smaller tusks, an adaptation that enables them to move more efficiently through thick vegetation. These elephants are seasonal migrants, traveling between highland forests and swampy lowlands in search of food. As ecosystem engineers, they create pathways through the jungle, disperse seeds, and help maintain ecological balance. Each day, a Sumatran elephant consumes up to 330 pounds of vegetation, including leaves, grasses, and fruits. Despite their ecological importance, Sumatran elephants face severe threats due to deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and poaching. Their population has declined drastically, with only an estimated 2,400 to 2,800 individuals remaining in the wild. The species is classified as critically endangered by the IUCN, emphasizing the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect their dwindling numbers and preserve their natural habitat. In the dense, closed canopy forests of Sumatra, the wandering Sumatran orangutan plays a vital role in maintaining the island's unique ecosystem. As the only great ape species native to Sumatra, these intelligent primates are crucial for seed dispersal, helping to regenerate the rainforest. The Sumatran orangutan diverged from a common ancestor with the Bornean orangutan over 3 million years ago when rising sea levels separated the islands of Sumatra and Borneo. As a result, it evolved into a distinct species, smaller and more arboreal than its Bornean relatives. Adult males typically weigh between 90 and 200 pounds, while females range from 65 to 110 pounds. Their striking orange-red fur, often brighter than that of Bornean orangutans, is well adapted to Sumatra's humid rainforest environment. The Sumatran orangutan is critically endangered, with the IUCN estimating that only around 13,000 individuals remain in the wild. Most of their population is concentrated in protected areas, such as Soar National Park. Unlike other great apes, Sumatran orangutans are largely solitary, spending most of their lives high in the forest canopy, where they feed on fruits, leaves, and insects. One of the biggest challenges for the survival of this species is its extremely slow reproductive rate. Females give birth to a single offspring, only once every 7 to 9 years, the longest interval of any land mammal. This slow reproduction makes it difficult for populations to recover from declines caused by habitat loss and poaching. As deforestation continues to threaten their existence, urgent conservation efforts are needed to ensure the survival of this remarkable species. In the slow-moving waters and shadowy swamps of Sumatra's peat forests lies the hidden realm of the false gharial, an elusive and ancient crocodilian species. One of the largest and most primitive crocodiles still in existence, the false gharial can grow up to 16 feet in length and weigh as much as 1,000 pounds. Its most distinctive feature is its long, slender snout, perfectly adapted for seizing fish and other small prey in the water. Though it bears the striking resemblance to the Indian gharial, the false gharial has a far more diverse diet. It preys not only on fish, but also on birds, reptiles, and even small mammals, making it a formidable predator in its murky habitat. The peat swamp forests provide the ideal setting for its ambush hunting strategy. These crocodilians remain nearly motionless, with only their eyes breaking the water's surface, silently observing their surroundings. When the moment is right, they strike with lightning speed, using their elongated jaws and powerful bite to subdue unsuspecting prey. Beyond catching fish, the false gharial's unique snout allows it to tear into larger animals, ensuring a steady food supply. Despite its ancient lineage and extraordinary adaptations, this species is on the brink of extinction. According to the IUCN, the false gharial is classified as critically endangered, with an estimated 2,500 to 10,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Habitat destruction, peatland drainage, and human encroachment continue to threaten its survival, making conservation efforts essential to preserving one of the world's most fascinating crocodilian species. Indonesia's breathtaking landscapes and its incredibly diverse wildlife find themselves at a pivotal crossroads. The future of these natural wonders is inextricably linked to the continuation of dedicated conservation efforts and a heightened global awareness of their plight. Have you ever had the opportunity to visit this extraordinary and beautiful country? We invite you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comment section below. And join us in supporting Indonesia's relentless fight to protect its awe-inspiring natural heritage for the benefit of future generations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you stay informed about more inspiring stories related to our planet's most precious ecosystems and their ongoing preservation.